Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use materials to filter different parts of a window for exporting the aperture in your analytical model exactly as what you want. I'm going to focus on single window here in this model. If I right click and select all, you can see these are the ones in the model that has single window, and I'm going to only focus on this room to keep it simple. Okay, so I'm going to only select this window type, no other window type. For doors, I'm going to select none, so not to be confusing. Then I'm going to go next, and for room, I'm going to only select level 1, and I'm going to only select living, which is this room here. So now if I visualize it again, you will see that this is exported, right? You have all these windows, but what you will see is like all the frames are also included, right? So you not only get the glass, but you also get the frame. The reason for that is that if we go to here, step 2, you'll see that if I click here, you see all the list, and we have everything selected, all the materials, not only clear glazing, but also the aluminum and wood walnut black. So all the different pieces of this window are selected. So what I can do, I can click here, and only select glass. And now let's see what will happen. And let's only select living. Come here, and remember you have to rerun the visualization. This is the leftover from last time. So now if I go here, you see something interesting. There is only one of them exported, and intentionally I didn't fix this in the model, so I can show you here in this video. So what's really happening is if I go and select this, actually let me select this instance, you will see this instance that was exported correctly, the glass material is set to glass clear glazing, and that's why it shows up there in the list. But if I select this one, you see in this one it's set by category, and the Revit plugin is going to ignore it because the material is not set. So what you can do, you can basically select all instances in the entire project, and then you can set the material for all these instances. And in this case, materials are set in instance level. If you have something that is set in type, you just fix that window type and you'll see it everywhere. So what was that? The glass clear. I mean, it doesn't really matter what we select. I think the one that was set was clear glazing. Okay, so now all of them are set to clear glazing. If I go back here and reload geometry, let's see if it works, or do I need to close and reopen the window? So I clicked on this, not this one, remember, because we made a change in the Revit document. So now you can see all of them are exported, and now the frame is not part of the aperture because it doesn't have the material clear glazing, which we set in this step 2. You can do that for all the other ones that have several materials. If you see you don't see this drop down like this one, that means that curtain wall panel or window only has one single material, so we export that. You can always go and edit based on materials, so you can see the list here, and you can use that for filtering the apertures to get the apertures exactly right for the purpose of your model. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions. The best place to post your question is Pollination Discourse forum. It's discourse.pollination.cloud. See you around. Thank you.